Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the copper update in Minecraft Xbox. First, make sure your game is completely updated to the latest version. Copper ore is a new resource found deep within the game world. You'll need to venture into caves and underground areas to locate it. Remember to bring a sturdy pickaxe, as copper blocks require one to be mined successfully. This process is straightforward and opens up many new crafting possibilities. To find copper, explore caves and ravines, focusing on Y levels between 0 and 64. Copper ore typically generates in veins, meaning you'll often find several blocks together, usually 2 to 6. Once you spot the distinct orange-brown blocks, equip a pickaxe. A stone pickaxe or any higher tier will work perfectly for mining copper. Each block you mine will drop raw copper, ready for smelting. After mining, you'll have raw copper. Take this to a furnace and smelt it to create copper ingots. These ingots are your key to crafting. You can use them to make various decorative blocks, including full copper blocks, stairs, and slabs, perfect for building. Beyond construction, copper ingots are essential for crafting useful items like lightning rods and spyglasses, adding new functionality to your game. One unique feature of copper is its oxidation process. Over time, exposed copper blocks will gradually change color, turning from a bright orange to a beautiful teal green. If you prefer the original look, you can wax copper blocks to prevent this oxidation. Simply combine a honeycomb with your copper block in a crafting grid. Also, for staying refreshed during your mining adventures, check out the Oala water bottle link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.